Today we got a video from ArrestFlix, and the title of the video is District Attorney's Daughter Finds Out She's Not Above the Law.
911 emergency, what city?
Las Cruces.
What is the address of your emergency?
There is what appears to be a homeless man. He's walking. We witnessed a shouting match between him and a female. She now has a knife drawn, and they're being pretty aggressive towards each other.
Ma'am. Well, I'm a police officer. If you walk away from me, then I'm gonna have to detain you, okay?
Yeah, but harassment.
I'm not harassing you.
I'm going on a walk?
I got a call about a female matching your description.
Okay.
It was involved in a situation. I could see from your face
that it's hot out here.
Yeah, but you also have a mark here, and you also have blood on your shirt.
Yeah, I have a mark here because I fell and I hit my head.
So, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Did anything happen?
No.
Okay, so this is the information I got. Female matching your description was fighting with a guy over here by the park. Okay? Said that...
I haven't been to a park all day.
Okay, well, you were walking right by the park.
Well, yeah, I was walking by the park, but I haven't been to the park. Being to a park would be on the property of a park. I was not on the property of the park, sorry.
Like I said, you're passing by the park, your description, I have enough to detain you. I could be cool and just talk to you.
But I'm not doing anything to you.
I didn't say you're doing anything to me.
And you're harassing me for going on a walk.
I'm not harassing you.
Kind of are.
I'm giving you the reason I have to stop and speak with you.
Okay. You spoke with me, and I'm sorry, but I'm not that person you're looking for.
Okay, again, I'm not done speaking with you, okay? So just so you know, you're not free to leave right now, okay?
Okay.
Like I said, we can be cool and talk.
Can I call my dad? Because this is harassment right now. Because I was supposed to go meet up with him.
You were supposed to go meet up with your dad?
Yeah, we can call him right now.
So you weren't involved with anybody over here?
No.
Can you get your hand out from behind you, please?
Yes.
Because they did say that you had a knife on you.
I don't have a knife.
Okay.
I don't have anything in my pocket. Is that my wallet?
So you're denying that you were involved in any incident over here with anybody?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Sorry.
So you didn't get any altercation with nobody over here?
No.
No. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And what's your name?
My name?
Yes.
Rose Higgins.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you, Rose?
I do not. I have a paper ID, or I had a paper ID, but I don't know where that is right now, but I'm going to go get a new one.
Did you have one out of here in New Mexico?
Yeah.
And you said that right now you're homeless?
Yep.
Do you have a phone on you, Rose?
Well, I did. Kind of lost it while I was walking.
Today?
Yeah. I was on my way to my dad.
Okay. Did it have to do with anything earlier or no? You just lost it?
Yes.
What was the number to it?
I don't really know my own numbers. So I'm not very happy with the harassment here, guys.
Okay, well, we're not trying to harass him. We got to call service. That's why we're here today.
Yeah, well, that's at a park, so that's probably over there where you guys are supposed to be. Well, and there's probably somebody getting the beat out of them, and you guys are here harassing me.
So you saw somebody getting beat up over there?
Yeah, that's them. That's a couple. That's none of my business.
Gotcha. Who's them?
I don't know.
Okay, you said it was a couple, though?
Yeah, I walked past the park.
Okay, what were they wearing?
I don't know. Red shirt and yeah, she had a purple shirt on.
Okay.
I have a purple shirt on. My bad for wearing purple today, guys. Well, can you guys start walking me to go get my phone in?
Not yet.
Because if that shit gets stolen because of y'all, this is the third motherfucking phone y'all lost.
Okay. Hey, I told you to stay over here. Stop walking away. I know, but stop walking away. I already told you to stop walking away. I already told you to stop walking away.
Okay, what the is going on here? What the is this shit? I'm sorry, you guys have a woman officer that can detain me? Because according to law, you guys can't touch me.
Well, let me partner talk.
Rose, look.
Yeah.
Here's the situation.
What's the situation?
I'm still trying to figure out what was going on today. Because like I told you before.
I told you there's a couple fighting at the park. That's none of my business.
Okay, well, one, they gave me your description. I could tell by seeing signs on you that you were involved. If you want to make a statement about that, that's perfectly fine. But just letting you know that you do come back with a warrant from municipal court, okay?
No, I don't. I got that taken care of and I got it squashed with the courts. I sent that letter in. They gave me a call, told me to show up in court, and that's squashed. Have my court date Thursday. Yeah, I got all of it squashed with the letter, bro.
offer? All right. Turn around, please. Your hands behind your back.
Excuse me, none of you guys are female. What the hell?
You don't have to be female to do.
Excuse me, this is harassment?
It's not harassment, you got a warrant, stop.
How do I have a warrant when I got it squashed with your courts?
Not my courts.
Well, I mean, that's the only warrant I have with.
Well, then you get to talk to him again today. Wow. Oh, maybe
Oh,
that's
really?
tomorrow. It's the holiday.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I guess y'all get to get sued by my dad.
Good deal.
Who's your dad again? He's a
James Dickens.
James Dickens.
Yeah.
Dickens. No, he's not the DA anymore.
No, he's not the DA, but he
know
doesn't
real
have
well.
power over all of you guys.
No, he does.
Yeah, he does.
Good luck with that.
Yeah, good luck with your job. What? You're gonna rot in hell. Oh, the one you guys won, Angel Hogan.
He was the one that was involved?
Yup, he beat my like a when you guys are arresting me. God for you.
You didn't tell me anything about. Do you want to talk to me?
Darn pieces of
Do you want to talk to me about Angel Hogan?
For what? You arrested my dumbass, but I was the one that got beat.
You weren't making any statements about you were involved in anything till now.
Because why? I knew you guys would arrest my dumb.
What happened?
That's
with
bullshit.
What happened with Angel?
Doesn't you arrested my dumb instead of him? Come here, sit down, sit down.
Central 2 units on Buchanan and Walker check.
We can have 1107.
You're my big, nigga. Hope you catch AIDS.
Are you guys illegally arrested?
I don't want him stabbing himself or... She's spitting all over the back now.
I'll hide behind the glass.
No. Let's not start that. Step out.
What do you want?
Step out.
What do you want?
You can't be banging back here. Step out.
Well,
What's that? Need a cuff to it.
Yeah.
She's chased victim. We haven't searched for that.
yeah. Grab it.
Don't do that.
Roll it over. I'm not even resisting.
Really?
I'm not even.
Kicking my officers?
I didn't kick him. You kicked me. Ah! Ah! With you people, man. You know, you guys gonna pay for those medical bills? No, you ain't.
You have to go down this road.
Bro. Oh, you. Angel Hogan. Watch. Angel. Watch. Your shit is gonna be in places.
97 up the
I ain't got nothing else on me, bro. Harass me like a. What, you like them titties? The off them. They're scared of a little tiny little thing, huh? Y'all got all these weapons and guns and all this, and you guys gonna do shit, bro. Where's my legs for what?
Last notch too, bro.
Roll sideways.
Come on, I know what to buy. Come on, dude. This is fun. on, guys. My foot is stuck. Can you guys stop? Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
You're good, I got it.
What's that? No. Can I help you, or is it easy?
No, you're good. He's just gonna pick up your feet.
I know, but can I help you guys? Or is that gonna be a mistake?
You're good with that.
Go ahead and pull. Watch, just close the door. I'll hold her up.
She was charged with contempt of court, battery, and assault on a peace officer, and resisting arrest but remains innocent until proven guilty.
Man, so locked in. I ain't even say nothing. So let's talk about a few things. The first thing, let's talk about reasonable suspicion versus just walking, right? So they got the 911 call and she fit the description of what they were actually looking for. So they was able to stop her legally and detain her. But the fact that she wanted to walk away and do whatever she wanted to do, whatever, you know, that just raises more suspicion, right? Why are you trying to get away? So she got the warrant, you know, taking her in for that. And then she's spitting. So it's like, you know, I'm assuming that's where the battery charge comes in at. When she was back there and she spit, maybe she spit on an officer, because then she was like, I hope you enjoyed my AIDS and all of that type of stuff. So, you know, they didn't really react. So I don't know if the spit actually hit them or not, but that's why she got the spit mask put on her. I mean, it's just, you can't do that. It's just, it's like, not only is it disrespectful, but it's battery. That is battery. You cannot do that. You can't spit on somebody. We just seen the other incident. Well, maybe you guys didn't watch it, but there was an incident that happened with a jewelry, Tracks NYC, and another situation with a guy, Tracks NYC, spit in the face. He's a jeweler out of New York. But I just want to show you guys the clip, and they ended up being arrested. You cannot do that.
Where's my fucking money, motherfucker? Where's my fucking money? Where's my money? I got this bracelet. Where's my fucking money? What are you gonna do, bitch? What are you gonna fucking do? Motherfucker. You say VVS, I3, 14 carat, and you're using my name, you bitch!
6447. 6447.
Yeah, 6447. Thief! You fucking thief! Bitch!
There's a violence. Stop. Take him out. Stop. Take him out.
Yeah. No. Get your hands off of me, bro. Take your hands off of me, bro.
Calm down.
Bro.
Calm down.
You give me my money.
You're never gonna see that.
So the guy in the blue shirt, that's Tracks, right? And apparently these guys were scamming the other guys, the other Italian guys there. They were scamming one of Tracks' customers a piece of jewelry, pretending to be them, and he ends up spitting in his face.
You little bitch. You fucking bitch.
There we go. Yeah. So he spit in his face. And when the cops ended up coming, the guy who spit in the face in Tracks' face ended up getting arrested. So I was just saying that to say this, because, you know, you can't do that. You can't spit on somebody. It's foul. It not only is it foul, it's battery. You just can't do that. So, yeah, man, it's just a crazy situation. People are like losing their minds nowadays. I don't understand what's going on with people. But if you haven't checked out that story, or, you know, if you're in New York, I know you heard of this. This is definitely, it went viral everywhere. But this, if you in New York, you should know. Tracks NYC got Yeah, he's a stand-up jeweler too. He don't be scamming people and all that type of stuff. But these guys, yeah. So like wrote something all the way down. He thought that he was getting like 14K jewelry and all of this other stuff, and it was really 10K gold, and it was and they were pretending to be tracks because they work in the same like booth area, but like or in the same building, but it's two different booths. But yeah, man. So anyway, let me know your thoughts on this case, man. I give the cops 5 out of 5. It was appropriate. Wrap her up, put the spit mask on her and all that good stuff. Everything I felt like was appropriate. So let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.